Good morning, children. So today let us continue our previous class polynomial. So I welcome all the students to this class also. Today let us continue about the same thing what we have learned, classification of polynomial based on degrees. So which are those linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Based on that, some more divisions of problems are there. The same thing, but it is very easy. You have already learned factorization. The same basis they are continuing, but you must think and do it. That's all. Now let us pass on to linear polynomial and zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. How these two are related. The title of the subject also the same thing. So this is a topic polynomial. The subtopic is relationship between zeros and zero in the sense zero polynomial. You know I already taught the zero polynomial x is equal to k in that case. That is p of x is equal to p of k. That will become a zero. So apart from that also, coefficient of a polynomial. You know you already learned coefficients. X square, x cube, coefficient. What are you are getting? The standard form of polynomial also you know. Based on degrees. So one is starts from x, another one is x square, another one is x cube. The same thing is repetition. This topic is meant for third test. So after the classes, after the videos, we are sending you notes. So follow the textbook and the notes. You try your level best to learn. Now let us pass on to linear polynomial. Repeat all of you children. Linear polynomial. Oh, you know the interpretation. You know the interpretation already. That is ax plus b. That is a is not equal to 0, and usually for the 0 the x is substituted as k. So x is substituted as k. This is the condition we are following. Now let us go for this is given in your book also. Polynomial x. Polynomial x is equal to ax plus b. So this can be substituted according to this condition. P of k is equal to ak plus b. Is it children? So here substitute P of k is equal to 0. 0. What is that? This will become a 0 is equal to the remaining term is ak plus b. A plus b. So now continuation. So here we have to substitute for k. So here minus b. Bring it to left hand side. That remaining term is a. That is minus b by a is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to minus b by a. What is b? What is b? This is a coefficient of x children. X children. So a is coefficient of x square. No, b is constant here. Constant term here. Sorry. Here b is constant. See children? Constant. So term. Constant term. So the denominator is coefficient of x. See here. Once again I will explain. So linear polynomial. The interpretation is ax plus b. A is not equal to 0. X is equal to a. Therefore p of x is equal to ax plus b. Here p of k. I told you x is equal to k is equal to ak plus b. So pk assume it as 0. Here is a 0. AK plus B shifted to left hand side, plus become a minus. Minus B is equal to AK. Minus B by A is equal to A. Therefore, A is equal to minus B by A. Here you see B is a constant here. See here, because linear polynomial, B is a constant. A is coefficient of x. So, coefficient of x. This is the interpretation of linear polynomial. Okay, children? So, let us pass on to what is that? Quadratic polynomial. Okay, children? You have followed all these steps. Okay? So, now let us pass on to quadratic polynomial. You know that also. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. Repeat, children. Quadratic polynomial. The degree of quadratic polynomial is square 2. Okay, that is the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to comma a is not equal to 0. See here the same thing. So in the previous one ax plus b, here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Okay. So now let us pass on to splitting the by splitting the midterm. Which is the midterm? This is a midterm. So now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to what is that? So here substitute x as k. So here we pass on to ax square, midterm you take bx so k into x minus alpha and x minus beta plus x k is comma k is constant. So here split it as you put bracket, big bracket, children. This is easy for you. So now midterm we have taken x as a, b split it as x minus alpha, x minus beta. So now shall we go through quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. A is not equal to 0, but x substituted as k. Is it clear? By splitting the middle term, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to only midterm I have taken k x ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ k ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, b ಬದಲಾಗಿ x minus alpha, x minus beta. Now you multiply this one. I will multiply and show you, otherwise you will get confusion. See here, x of x minus beta minus alpha x minus beta. Multiply x into x square x beta minus alpha minus into minus plus alpha beta. Collect x into x square minus x into beta x beta minus plus into minus alpha into x alpha x minus into minus plus alpha into beta. Now x square minus, here common is x. You take out x common, So here what is the remaining term? Beta. Here minus into minus plus. Okay, what is the remaining term? Alpha. Okay, plus alpha beta. So this is a formula. You must remember quadratic polynomial. X square minus x beta plus alpha beta. This can be written as x square minus x of alpha beta, because we interpret alpha beta only, not beta alpha. You can write that also, you are getting the answer, but you should not. Now here you substitute in the bracket x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta, close the bracket. Now multiply by k x square minus kx alpha plus beta plus k alpha beta. Try your level best, children. Try. Here have you followed up? So midterm k x minus alpha x minus beta. So multiply these two, you are getting the result this one. So k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Multiply all these terms by k x square minus kx alpha plus beta plus k alpha beta. Now what you have to do? You know the coefficients. You compare here. X square coefficient is what? Here a. What is the x square coefficient? K. Now you have to substitute. Here a is equal to k. Okay. Now b is equal to, what is b is equal to? B is equal to, so here minus, see here minus k x alpha plus beta. Followed? So b is equal to minus kx alpha plus beta. C is equal to k alpha beta. Children, go through it, all of you go through it. You compare this column here. Okay, what is A? K. What is B? Minus kx alpha plus beta. What is C? K alpha beta. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Now let us pass on to very simple simplification. What is that? Now let us go for B is equal to, here you see, children, B is equal to minus kx alpha plus beta. So what we have to do? B is equal to, just stop now. Children, once again I will repeat the same thing, don't have a confusion. What is the coefficient of x square? A. What is the coefficient of x b? C is constant. Understand that? Linear polynomial ax plus b. What is the coefficient of x? A. B is constant. So here quadratic polynomial, coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b. This is a c constant. So following this one, here what is the coefficient of x square? A. Here coefficient of x square is a. Therefore a is equal to k. Clear, children? Now what is the coefficient of x? Here b. What is the coefficient of x? Only x. See here. Only x. What is the coefficient of x? The remaining term you are supposed to write. Minus k alpha plus beta. So what is this constant term? No need to take anything. So directly you get C is equal to K alpha beta. Okay, children? So now let us pass on to derivation. Here you go. So therefore B is equal to K of alpha plus beta. Now we already got A is equal to Why means we got it A also same, K also same. Any one you can write. So because of convenient, so instead of K, I have taken A. I have taken. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to B by minus A. That is, alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. So here B is a, what is this? Coefficient of what? X. A is coefficient of x square. This is the derivation. Followed children? Followed. See here. B is equal to minus A alpha plus beta. The sum of alpha plus beta is equal to B by minus A. That is alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. What is B? Coefficient of x. What is A? Coefficient of x square. Followed children? Now another derivation is product. What is the product? What is product? So look at the C is equal to K alpha beta. C is equal to K alpha beta. Clear children? So what we substituted for K? A we substituted. Isn't it? Here also C is equal to A alpha beta. Alpha beta. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to C by A. Here constant by coefficient. What is A? Coefficient of x square. So this is another derivation. See here. C is equal to A alpha beta. Substituted as alpha beta is equal to K substituted as A. So alpha beta is equal to C by A. C is constant. A is equal to coefficient of A square. This is sum of the alpha beta. This is a product of the alpha beta. This is the derivation you have to remember out of quadratic polynomial. Okay children. Now let us pass on to 2 or 3 problems. It is very easy to remember. You have already learned factorization. Out of that knowledge you can solve the problem. Very easy. Go through all of you steps. Go through children. Let us pass on to problems. So now in your example sums, in your textbook they have given some example sums I have taken. So the same thing you also go through it. Let us one example sum. So find that you read out. So and also one more thing also you remember, not only the alpha beta, even m plus n also correct. Minus b by a. That is mn is equal to c by a. This is also correct. Even p plus q is equal to the same thing. Pq is also. Any letter you can give. To the sum and the product. Okay children. So now let us pass on to another 2-3 sums. I will teach you. So example sum they have given. Now find the, I will read out. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 8x plus 6. They have given polynomial. They have given. And verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Verify the results of zeros and coefficients. Let us have that one. Okay. P of x is is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Here you take out the coefficient. So what is the coefficient of A? A is equal to 2. So B is equal to minus 8. Because minus is there, you are supposed to take out 8. So here C is equal to 6 children. Okay. So now you have to find out the zeros and the polynomial coefficients of polynomial. You are supposed to find out the sum and the product. So you have to take out the value of sum and product values out of the factorization. Factorization, you know how to do it. This is a midterm. So 8 into 2, what is that? 16. Find out midterm. So minus 8 is there. 8 2s are 16, isn't it? So here you are supposed to get what is your taking 8 2s are, if you add 10 if you subtract it 6, so you are not getting. So you don't take this one now. So constant term first term you take 6 into 2, so 12. So here you will 6 2s are 8. Or you have to get minus 8. So you have to put minus sign both. Here P of x is equal to 2x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 6. So see here minus 6 minus 2x 8x. So common factors of 2x is equal to x minus 6 minus x minus 3 minus 2 is equal to x plus into minus minus 3. So here 2x minus 2 and x minus 3. Therefore 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 2. X is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So x value is 1. Another one, x is equal to plus 3. So 1 and 3 you are getting. You consider it as this is a alpha, this is a beta. So what is that? Alpha is equal to 1, comma, alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 3. You find out once again addition and subtraction. What is that? Alpha plus beta is equal to, what is that? Minus b by a. Okay, what is minus b? So minus 8 is there in the formula. The substitution value 8. Okay. So here what is this? A is 2. So here alpha plus beta. What is the alpha value? 1 plus beta value 3 is equal to minus into minus plus 8 by 2. Here 4. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. So your sum is correct. They told you verify. LHS also 4, RHS also 4. This is the way you have to find out our sum. Now you go for product. Alpha beta is equal to C by A. Alpha 1 into 3 is equal to, what is C? 6. What is A? 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 1s are 3 is equal to 3. Both are correct. 3 is equal to 3. 4 is equal to 4. Your sum is correct. If it is imbalanced, your sum is wrong. Now what we have done is correct. What you have to do? When you are getting a trinomial, you have to find out the coefficients of x square and x and c and factorize it. So you are getting a alpha and beta, or m and n, or p and q, any letter you can give, not only the alpha beta. So next you go for the alpha plus beta, next you go for the product of alpha beta. So now both are correct. This is the way you have to solve the problem. Okay children, have you followed that? So if you don't follow, then same textbook you follow. They are also the same thing they have given. Okay, methodology you must know. Without teaching methodology you cannot follow. So I am teaching you bit by bit. So you just try to follow. If you don't follow, repeat the video. Once again you are getting, all of you try your level best to understand. Okay. Okay, or if you don't follow, you ask your friends. Still, if you don't follow, come to the school, we will teach you. Okay, so the next one, next one. Next one, all of you open your book and take the another example and read. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Now what you have to do? You have to verify it whether it is a zero polynomial or coefficient of polynomial. Both the sum and product if you find out. So before that you have to find out the value of alpha and beta. Now take out the coefficients. What are those coefficients? So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, follow all of you. C is equal to minus 2. Because here minus is there, you have to take the number along with the sign. Okay children. Now we will go for the factorization. So polynomial x is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Find the factorization. So here this 3 and 2 you multiply. 3 and 2 multiply 6. You have to get to midterm 5x. So you follow the table. 3 2s are, that is also possible. Okay, 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus you are getting 3x square plus 3x plus 2x. You are getting this one 3x plus 2x, so 5x minus 2. Common factor 3x of x plus 3. Are you getting or not? 3 1 here 1 you are getting. Okay, plus 2 you are getting x minus 1. See, you are not getting. So we will go for another one. We will see another one. Okay. So this is not possible. This is not possible. So go for 6 into 1. 6 into 1. Let us see 6 into 1 factors. Okay children. Now try 3x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 2. You may get this one. So this is wrong. Wrong in the sense correct. 3 into 2, 6 only. But we have substituted, but we are not getting equal factors. So now you are getting, see, 3x is a common now. X is left over. 3x, 3 2s are plus 2s are. Minus 1 has a common now. X, so minus into minus 2 plus. See, these two you are getting a common. So these factors are correct. These factors are correct. This is correct. So here 3x minus 1, x plus 2 is the factors of 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Now once again 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to plus 1, x is equal to 1 by 3. X value, this is alpha is equal to 1 by 3. You are getting. Okay children. So now present one. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. Beta is equal to minus 2. See, you are getting these two values. Now what you have to find out? Sum you have to find out. Sum. What is the alpha plus beta is equal to, what is that? Minus b by a. What is alpha beta? 1 by 3 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 3. So here, see, we cannot calculate directly. Simplify it. Minus 2. Here is a LCM. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus b by 3. Is here also minus b by 3. So 3 cancel. Here minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Left hand side cancel. This is correct. So you form the sum. you found the sum. Now you go for the product. A alpha beta is equal to C by A children. Correct? Now, what is 1 by 3 into minus 2 is equal to C by A. What is C? Minus 2. A 3. So here C 3 cancel because here into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. This is also correct. Verification also over.